Hi all, this is Suganya from creativebirdsedu. Are your kids facing headache, eye irritation, redness in eyes? And are you worried if they would wear glasses in the future? Don't worry. So here I am with 5 exercises and few tips to get rid of digital eye strain. So let's go. In a circular motion, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. First, clockwise. Repeat this exercise for 10 times and then try it in the anti-clockwise. Repeat it for 10 times. The second exercise is eye flexing. So move your eyes right, left, right, left, right, left for 5 times and then up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down for 5 times. The third exercise is a blinking exercise. Normally a human should blink minimum of 15 times a minute. So let's start blinking. Blink as much as possible. Try this for at least 10 times or 15 times. So whenever you find a time, please blink. The fourth exercise is the palm rubbing exercise. Rub your palm nicely unless and until it is heated up. Yes. And place your palm straight away to your eyes. Close your eyes and relax. Again rub it and place your palm in your eyes. Repeat this exercise for 10 times and you will feel the refreshment. The fifth exercise is a 20-20 rule exercise. So every 20 minutes, you find an object which is 20 feet away from you and you stare at it for 20 seconds. These are all the 5 effective eye exercises to reduce your digital eye strain. Practice it daily and you will find the result. Thank you. Hope your eyes are relaxed now. Please make sure your kids practice these exercises at least twice a day to maintain a healthy eyes. Thank you for watching my video. Do share your comment on the comment box and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.